Welcome to Copper Towers Student Accommodation, located in the heart of Coventry. Offering a wide range of studios, this student housing is designed to cater to the needs of every student. Each studio features a window that looks out to the beautiful skies. And don't worry about storage because there is a lot of underbed storage for keeping all your valuable belongings. There is also a study desk and a smart TV where the students can finish their assignments and watch their favorite shows. Moving on to the kitchen with modern and well-equipped appliances like an oven, a cooktop, and many more. Not only this, the property also offers a gym where you can get your workout done and a pool table to relax and enjoy with friends. Furthermore, the property is located near Coventry University and City College Coventry. This student accommodation is a favorite spot among the students. What adds to the convenience of making this your new home is its location. Restaurants like City Grill and Noodle Bar are a short walk away where you can get your favorite food. You could also take a stroll down the street and visit Sainsbury's for a weekly stock-up of groceries. Lead a comfortable life by booking yourself a room at Copper Towers Student Accommodation in Coventry. So, what are you waiting for? Book yourself a gorgeous home at amberstudent.com.